I'm Katie. We have been dedicated to the field of construction machinery for 15 years, and our products cover 3 major series: excavating machinery, loading equipment, and mining machinery. It adopts a hydraulic system imported from Germany and high-wear-resistant alloy components from Japan. The whole machine has passed the 48-hour extreme working condition test. It has been exported to over 30 countries in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and so on, and has served more than 2,000 large-scale infrastructure and mining projects in total.